A feedback-based control loop mechanism, known as Proportional Integral Derivative Controller, PID, or three-term controller. PID controller calculates an error value continually and automatically corrects a control function in a precise and timely manner. A typical example is the cruise control on an automobile. By gradually raising the engine's power output, the controller's PID algorithm returns the observed speed to the target speed, with little delay or overshoot. PID controller adjusts using proportional, integral, and derivative concepts to the intended set point and a measured process variable. Due to their applications in temperature control, hybrid PID controllers are in great demand. Additionally, through 2032, it is anticipated that its use in food and beverage, oil and gas, and other sectors will significantly influence the growth of the PID controller market. The increased demand for hybrid temperature PID controllers in the oil and gas industry is projected to influence the development of the PID controller market.
According to Fortune Business Insights, the global PID controllers market value was $250 million in 2022. And it is expected to reach $1,129 million by 2032, registering a compound annual growth rate of 16.3% from 2023 to 2032.